Welcome back to the show. We continue today from Benton. We are talking all about Wichita Homeworks today and kind of a cool project they're doing in here, and one that maybe you recognize because we have been here before. You've seen this guy before as well. This is Nate. He is the president of Wichita Homeworks. Nate, good to see you. How you doing today?
Good, real good. Thanks for coming out.
Yeah, we always like seeing what's going on. And this is one that's familiar to us. We've been here once before. So just tell us a little bit about the difference between what we saw before, what was it, 2 or 3 months ago, versus how it looks today?
Yeah, so I think last time we were here, we were right in the middle of finishing up framing. So since then, we've gotten all of our trades in here. So your electrical, plumbing, HVAC. They've ran all of their necessary things through the house. Then we get it inspected. Then we go ahead and do the insulation, and then they finish out the sheetrock. So you can see we've got sheetrock hung now, and they've got a rough coat on it. They still got quite a bit of finish work to do. But this one's kind of unique because the homeowners, handy. They feel comfortable with doing a lot of work. And so we were able to work with them. We're going to bring it to this point, and then we're going to kind of let them finish out a lot of the finished portions of it. So it lets them build a lot of sweat equity into the home.
Yeah.
And right now that can be really huge for people.
Yeah, so. And this isn't just a one-off that you guys.
No,
you guys have done this
we've
with many
actually done
different
this
projects.
a few times in the past, and it's actually worked out well. So.
Yeah. With this build here, I remember last time we were here, we were really talking about the windows, and hopefully the people on the screen now can kind of see that transition of how it looked
really
before versus how it looks
nicely.
now.
Yeah.
So tell us about what your impressions of how this is coming here.
Yeah, so I think this turned out like we were hoping for, and I know the customer's super happy about it. Lots of natural light. They've got a really nice piece of ground back there that they can keep, at the forefront of kind of the focal point. So.
Yeah. And Nate, as we get closer to the fall here, this could be a really good time for some people to take advantage of some good pricing for a house right now.
Yeah, so we saw a peak in building material costs early this year, kind of in February and March. We're seeing that actually kind of come back and level out. It's still definitely more, we're still paying more than we were before. But the biggest issue right now is just lead times on materials. That's a little bit of a complexity, but for the most part, it's actually prices are leveling back out, and it's still a good time for projects.
Yeah.
So.
And I know talking to you just within the last couple months, you knew eventually that was going to happen, right?
We hoped. Yeah, you never know.
Yeah.
It's been a wild ride.
Right.
We're riding it out. So.
Yeah. Well, tell us how people can get more information and get that project started today.
Yep. They can visit us on the web at wichitahomeworks.com, or they can give us a call, 316-303-4485.
Cool. Thank you so much, Nate. It's been cool seeing the progression of this place here.
Thanks for coming back.
That'll do it for this edition of Good Day Kansas. Hope you can tune in tomorrow right here on KSN.